For Decowell 2025 is more than a point in time. It is a year of progress written together with our partners. Every step forward comes from one belief: creating lasting value for our customers. This year we went deeper into industries, listening to real on-site needs. Through our application case competition, insights from over 100 industries came together, constituted Wellbus solutions. In May, the EV Series Economic Valve Terminal was launched, where tested, validated, and quietly took root in real applications. With an integrated and compact design, it delivers simpler and efficient pneumatic control for multiple industries. We believe solutions are born on site. In August, we advanced the 1+1+N micro-integration strategy with our partners. From the Yangtze River Delta to the Greater Bay Area, from components to ecosystems, true growth comes from collaboration. The wide adoption of Wellbus wiring saving solutions, improved efficiency and reduced costs, reflecting close cooperation with customers and partners. We stepped beyond the workshop onto a broader industrial stage. Industry exhibitions, forums, and recognitions followed. Yet the greatest trust comes from stable operation at customer sites. 2025 is both a foundation and a beginning. Thank you to every customer, partner, and colleague. Looking ahead, we continue to invest in R&D, connecting industries through 1+1+N, connecting intelligence, empowering industry.